Hey, today I'm showing you my secret weapon for turning massive video files into tight, watchable clips using only words, not tedious timeline scrubbing. We're diving deep into my transcript-based workflow, powered by that amazing AI tool that automatically slices your long videos into perfectly shareable content. If you've ever spent an entire hour trying to hunt down one specific moment in a 30-minute lecture, this entire process will save you an unbelievable amount of time. So, what exactly is this concept of editing videos purely with words? Essentially, you let the AI tool listen to your entire audio track and convert every spoken word into easily editable text. You then edit the resulting document just like a standard word processor, deleting unwanted sentences and collapsing unnecessary pauses. As you make those text selections, the actual video updates itself automatically, which is the real magic here. Forget dragging those fiddly razor tools across the timeline because now your primary selection tool is simply your line of text. It sounds incredibly simple, and honestly, once you get this workflow down, you will absolutely never want to go back to the old way. Okay, let's jump right into the practical steps and open up the Vizard platform in your preferred web browser. Since this is entirely web-based, you completely skip any lengthy installation or heavy software downloads on your machine. The next step is intuitive. Click Create New Project, and then simply drop in the raw footage you want to refine, maybe a full interview or lecture recording. Once the footage is in, Vizard immediately kicks off the automatic transcription process in the background. This transcription phase is usually instantaneous for most files, writing out the whole script with perfect timestamps attached. A quick note for your longest recordings. Give the system a minute or two to process everything, but it is still dramatically faster than any manual scrubbing effort. Before editing, you should always listen to the original recording once through to get a solid feel for the speaker's natural flow. You will instantly notice all that common human speech clutter, the pauses, the ums, the repeated phrases, and those awkward filler moments we all have. Our main goal now is to ruthlessly tighten up all of that unnecessary conversational padding. With the full transcript neatly laid out, I simply scan down the text looking for any obvious repetitions or verbal stumbles. The absolute coolest part is that Vizard proactively highlights probable filler words and long gaps for you automatically. This means you don't have to spend valuable time hunting down every single little filler word manually. For instance, I will highlight every instance of and you know across the entire script and simply press delete. Vizard immediately removes those words from the text and simultaneously trims the linked video content accordingly. There is zero need to ever go back and locate the exact frames where those vocal tics occurred. If I notice a particularly long, dead pause, maybe one that stretches over 1.5 seconds, I can collapse that silence down to a much tighter point, 2 seconds. Alternatively, you have the power to remove that entire long gap completely from the final cut if the context allows for it. The timeline updates instantly after this, allowing you to preview the revised flow right away and check the pacing. This precise control over pacing effectively removes that jarring, chopped-up jump cut feeling from your footage. The result is a speaker who sounds far more fluent, articulate, and professional throughout the entire piece of content. What I truly appreciate about this system is the perfect balance it strikes between powerful automation and essential user control. Vizard handles the most time-consuming heavy lifting, like identifying key highlights and removing basic filler words without being asked. However, you still retain the final veto power to listen back and make those critical, nuanced tweaks where needed. I generally trust the AI to generate those very first rough draft cuts, and then I skim through to quickly undo anything that feels contextually wrong. Sometimes the automation can be a little too aggressive and accidentally snip out a crucial sentence that actually carried important meaning. Conversely, other times, the system might completely overlook a subtle but truly impactful thought that you know your audience needs to hear. Fortunately, making those quick manual fixes takes mere seconds, keeping the overall editing speed incredibly high. Now, let's take a moment to compare this method against the features offered by other popular editing applications out there. Yes, established apps like CapCut offer desktop and browser versions that do include some transcript editing capabilities. CapCut's desktop functionality for removing filler words is generally quite solid when you're working offline. However, many of the genuinely useful, advanced features are frustratingly locked away behind a professional paywall you need to unlock. Furthermore, the feature parity between their desktop application and the free browser version is notoriously messy and inconsistent. Their browser version is free, but it demands you upload all your clips to their external servers, which can be awkward for privacy-sensitive content. CapCut shines for quick, on-the-go mobile edits, but it simply isn't engineered for the scale of batch processing many long-form videos into dozens of shorts. This is the precise area where Vizard absolutely pulls ahead of the competition and shows its true strength. First and foremost is the true auto-editing capability designed specifically to create viral clips from your footage. Vizard goes beyond simple filler removal by actively scanning for the most engaging moments, like emotional beats or killer punchlines. It then suggests fully packaged, ready-to-post microclips that have the highest probability of performing well on social platforms. If you upload a 1-hour podcast, Vizard will instantly surface the 10 bite-sized gems most likely to capture attention on short-form apps. That automatic surfacing feature alone completely eliminates the guesswork involved in deciding what content to push out next. The second massive advantage that sets this tool apart is its fully integrated auto-schedule function. Once you have a batch of clips ready, you skip exporting and manually queuing them across every single social media application. You simply tell Vizard the frequency you want, like 3 new clips every week, and it handles the distribution timing itself. Honestly, this automated posting feature is a total game changer for any creator striving for consistent, high-volume output without constant babysitting. Third, and this ties it all together, is the intuitive content calendar dashboard, where everything lives in one spot. From this single screen, you can easily reorder your queue, fine-tune captions, swap out the thumbnail frame, and publish content live. It genuinely transforms repurposing a single long talk into weeks of unique social content from something you dread into something you anticipate. Jumping back into this practical workflow, after the initial cleanup, I head to the suggestions panel to review the AI's highlighted gems. I select clips based purely on the specific platform's requirements. Snappy under 45 seconds for TikTok, and slightly longer ones for a YouTube short. You can quickly adjust the in and out points, tweak the playback speed, and even drop in a quick text overlay for immediate context. Pro tip here, always try to keep your TikTok strictly under that 45-second mark, unless the core message absolutely demands more screen time. Many creators worry that AI cutting will make the final speaker sound unnaturally robotic, but that risk disappears when you check the edits. Vizard crucially provides a simple restore or undo option for every single edit the machine has ever made on your timeline. While the AI cannot create new words out of thin air, it excels at seamlessly stitching together disparate segments back into a coherent audio bridge. Other tools might let you delete material, but they often fail to transition those points as gracefully as this platform manages the audio flow. Another common hurdle for editors is the inherent risk associated with uploading potentially sensitive material to an online service. Vizard takes security seriously, storing all your projects safely and giving you granular controls over workspace permissions. If you are handling confidential client footage, always verify your specific subscription plan and workspace settings for absolute peace of mind. The online upload process of competing tools once made me personally wary, especially when dealing with material that shouldn't be publicly accessible. Vizard's robust collaboration model also streamlines teamwork by eliminating the need to email massive video files back and forth between colleagues. Let me show you a genuine real-world example of the speed this workflow unlocks for content creators. I took one 22-minute lecture, which was full of great quotes, but also riddled with long silences and repeated phrases. After uploading, I simply tapped the Auto Extract Highlights button and waited patiently. Within minutes, the system presented 12 distinct suggested clips ranging from 15 to 45 seconds in optimized length. I kept 8 of the best suggestions, quickly refined the captions, and scheduled them across the next 2 weeks of content seamlessly. The entire process, from raw file to 2 weeks of scheduled social posts, took me less than 30 minutes of active work. You could spend an entire day manually achieving that same output level, easily making this approach a massive multiplier for your time. Now, a very important point to remember is that you should never, ever rely blindly on any automated suggestion presented to you. Always take the time to quickly skim through every single clip the algorithm selects for any potential issues. Sometimes the AI loves a dramatic pause that completely loses its context when isolated on its own, or it chops out a key reference. The super fast, high-quality loop is this: auto-suggest your clips, perform a quick review, implement minor edits, and then finalize the schedule. Adhering to that tight feedback loop ensures your process remains both incredibly efficient and reliably high quality. One more subtle but powerful advantage comes from the built-in analytics that help you refine all future automated suggestions. After posting for a few weeks, you can see exactly which clips resonated, and Vizard learns your audience's unique consumption preferences. If your viewers consistently prefer quick motivational bites, the system will organically start favoring those types of suggestions in the next batch. That continuous feedback loop is what transforms a simple time-saving utility into a genuine engine for audience growth leverage. So, in summary, if you are working with any talking head content, interviews, lectures, or recorded podcasts, transcript editing is your ultimate cheat code. While competitors have pieces of this puzzle, they often hide the best parts behind paywalls or force awkward manual uploading procedures. Vizard brilliantly bundles the crucial elements: smart text editing, automated highlight selection, scheduling, and the content calendar into one fluid experience. This tool doesn't try to replace your creative judgment, but it successfully removes the tedious grunt work so you can focus only on content strategy. If you are ready to test this out, upload one of your longer videos right now and let the AI instantly pick out the best highlights for you. Give the initial suggestions a quick review, schedule just a couple of posts, and then really observe how much less time you spend on the edit itself. And if you're still feeling nervous about uploading raw source footage, start by using it only on public, non-sensitive content until you feel comfortable with the settings. All right, that wraps up my complete walkthrough of this powerful, word-based editing system for the week. If you found value here, please drop a comment below and telling me what kind of video you create the most, be it a podcast, lecture, or interview. If I see enough demand, I'll make a tailored follow-up video showing off specific tips like styling text overlays for different platforms next time. Or maybe I'll show you how to batch process an entire month's worth of social content in just one focused afternoon session. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you all in the very next video.